Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to disable IPv6 on Windows 11. There are many reasons for wanting to disable IPv6 networking. However, if you have a similar issue like myself, where your original IPv6 address is leaking but your VPN's IPv4 address is displayed correctly, then you may want to disable IPv6 networking on your Windows PC to prevent IPv6 leaking. To do this, navigate to your Windows taskbar and click on the search box. Then type Control Panel. Once you've typed this in, click on Control Panel, or to the right, you can click on Open. Once your Control Panel has opened, look for where it says Network and Internet and click on it. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. At the top, you should see the public network you're currently connected to. Now, I'm also connected to a VPN. That's why I have two networks. However, the one that you want is usually at the very top, and I'm currently on the internet using a Wi-Fi connection. You might be using an Ethernet connection. Once you've located your active network, simply click on its name. A small window will open. In my case, because I'm on Wi-Fi, it's called Wi-Fi status. You want to look for properties. Click on properties. My Wi-Fi properties have now opened. In your case, it could be your Ethernet properties. Make sure you're in the networking tab. You can just click on it to be sure. And then underneath where it says this connection uses the following items, scroll down until you see where it says Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6 is currently checkmarked as we're currently using this type of networking on our Windows PC. To disable it, uncheck the box and then click on OK. We can now click on Close. And now we can simply go back to our browser, refresh this IP address checker page called whatismyipaddress.com, and now if we look for our IP address, you can see our IPv4 address is displayed, but our IPv6 address is not detected, meaning that we have successfully disabled IPv6 networking and are no longer leaking our original IPv6 address. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so